Did you know there are many different types of mushrooms and each one cooks differently? Mushrooms are loved for their rich, earthy flavor and meaty texture, making them a favorite ingredient in kitchens around the world. Button mushrooms are the most common type you'll find in grocery stores. They have a mild flavor and work well in salads, soups, and pizzas. Cremini mushrooms, also called baby bella, are the next growth stage after button mushrooms. They have a deeper, more savory flavor. Portobello mushrooms are the mature version of the family. Their large size and meaty texture make them perfect for grilling or as a meat substitute. Shiitake mushrooms are popular in Asian cuisine and known for their strong umami flavor. They are often used in stir-fries, soups, and noodles. Oyster mushrooms have a delicate flavor and soft texture. They are perfect for sautéing, frying, or adding to pasta and risotto. When cooking mushrooms, avoid soaking them in water instead. Wipe them clean and cook over medium heat to bring out their natural flavor from mild button mushrooms to rich portobellos. Each variety adds unique flavor and texture to your cooking.
That's it for today's Ingredient Spotlight. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Ingredient Spotlights. This is Chef Jade. See you in the next Spotlight.